Hi, in this short tutorial, I will review question number 2 from chapter 2 and show you how to solve it in Excel. On the screen, you see Excel spreadsheet. So I have data highlighted as yellow, and I would like to find the following quantities: first quartile, second quartile, third quartile, interquartile range, and the percentile. Okay, so to find out the first quartile, I need to rely on the following Excel command: equals quartile. There are three options. I don't want to go through what exclude and include means. Just rely on the traditional quartile function. So click a quartile, select the data, and then next it asks which quartile you are looking, and there are the following find options. So 0 quartile, that means the lowest value, which would be 5. Fourth quartile would be 37, highest value, and we are looking the first one. So I select number 1, and I close the parenthesis and hit enter. So we get 12. Okay, so to find out the second quartile, I will just use the same command, but I will replace the first quartile by the second one. So, and it's 22. To find out the third one, I will replace that 1 by 3, and that's 29. So since those are, okay, so I will put 2-digit precision. All right, so to find out in the quartile range, we just subtract 12 out of 29, we get 17. And to find out the 90th percentile, I use the following Excel command: percentile. So again, there are few options here. I will just rely on the traditional Excel function percentile, select the data, and indicate which percentile I'm looking for. So I'm looking 90th percentile, so I put 0.90. So this number must be between 0 and 1. If you type 0, it gives lowest value. If you give type 1, it gives the highest value. So we are looking 90th percentile, and the answer is 34.20. So that means that 90% of the data is below that 90th percentile, and 10% of data is above 34.20. All right, I think that concludes my tutorial. Thank you for your attention.